Okay, good morning, guys, and welcome to another session of our market analysis. Yeah. So, what we're basically doing here is basically looking for. It's telling me my internet connection is unstable. We're basically looking for opportunities in the market, and you guys get to see how I get my entries and exits. Basically, you guys get to see my forex strategy. So, before we get started proper, for those that will be watching this video on YouTube, please like and subscribe to the page. So let's get started. Fundamental wise, we have news by 8:15. That's in less than 12 minutes on the euro. That's a French flash manufacturing PMI. Then we have another one by 8:30. Same euro, German flash manufacturing PMI. See the same thing. Then we have 9:30 on GBP. Flash manufacturing PMI. What's this thing, sir? Then we have USD. USD2 is the same thing. All of them manufacturing PMI. So we have high impact news on Euro, GBP, USD. On card is mid impact. What was that? Let me see. Measures level of diffusion index based on surveyed purchasing managers in the manufacturing industry. Hey, wahala. Anyhow, let's jump on our charts and see what we can prepare ourselves for. So I'll be starting with ADUSD. ADUSD, honestly, I'm disappointed in it. Since yesterday, we've been in this range and a very unhealthy range. So look at the top of the range here, and then look at the bottom of the range here. And then price just did as if it exited yesterday, and then we came back, we sort of retested, and then we just massively sold. And I think this is because of the fundamental news on AUD/USD at night. So it's still ranging. Probably this whole the news today will actually push it out of this range. Then we have NZD/USD. NZD/USD actually had a nice setup yesterday, but then I think we did not see it. Yeah. So price created that high. We created this low, which actually broke below here. Now price went back and then retested exactly that 0.618 of our Fibonacci. See, we basically just tapped it exactly and then we sold massively to the downside. So now, enough of gun setups. What can we look at for on AUD/USD? AUD/USD has created another low, breaking this one here. So we can still plot our Fibonacci and then basically look for where we can take those sells from. So we can start from here and then plot down here. Yeah, which is 0.61. It is sitting exactly around this point here. So it's just to wait. Let's wait and see when price will start retracing. Yeah. Let's wait and see when price will start retracing. Once price starts retracing, I'll plot my fib again and see where exactly we're going to do this in. But basically, what we're looking at at NZD/USD to do now is basically it has what created another low. We're looking for it to retest, and then what we get that continuation. So we're looking for that sell basically. So it's just to wait for NZD/USD start pushing back up. Then we basically highlight where we'll be looking for those sells from. Yeah, so that's basically it. Then is there any other pair you guys want to take a look at? Gold is not even showing anything clear.
Yeah, JPY.
Yes, JPY. USDJPY. USDJPY. Okay, USDJPY. So USDJPY did not actually break here. It did not actually break above yesterday. Let's analyze what it's doing currently. So USDJPY has, it tapped that high yesterday. We created a low. We tested and then now we're pushing to the downside. Yeah. My fear with USDJPY is the fact that overall, if you look at the 4H, we're actually in a range. Yeah, overall, we're more or less we're in a range. See, overall, it's not bullish or it's not bearish, but then we have not shifted structure yet. We're still within that whole range. So see, the top and the bottom. So that's what scares me with this one. Because now we might decide that, okay, we'll look for a sell because price has created a low. We might plot our fee from the top to the bottom and then look for a sell around here. Yeah, but then the thing is, once price gets here now, it will just continue, it might just continue buying. But it's worth it. HA, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Good. So now once price starts getting into this area, what you can let me even set an alert there. What you can watch out for now is an entry criteria. Hope you know your entry criteria is either shift in market structure in the lower time frame or candlestick confirmation. So I'm setting an alert there. Once price gets inside, what I'll be looking at now.
Yes, I use candlestick.
Yes, I'll be looking for price to basically shift structure on the lower time frame. Yeah, for price to get into this place. And then for us to basically get that whole shift in market structure and then look for a retest. So that's what we'll be looking out for. Yeah. Let's just wait and then see how it plays out. I set an alert there. Once price gets
All
there,
right, thank you.
no worries. So once price get there, it will alert me and then we'll see how we can do it. Is there any other pair you guys want us to take a look at?
Good morning. Let's look at gold.
Gold overall is in it's in a range, sort of. Not really a range. Gold is not actually in a range. So now, my gold people, we actually have these highs here that price has actually tapped inside like 3 times, yeah, and rejected from there. Then we have this low here. You understand? So as long as price is still inside here, we cannot do anything. So let's just watch. But then from what price is doing this side, it looks as if price wants to create more or less like a head and shoulder. But let's watch and see if price can reject from here and then break above, then we're basically shifting to a bullish market. But then if it doesn't and then we break below, then you just look for a simple retest and then in continuation. That's basically, but for now, we cannot do anything because it's just in the middle of the range. Any other pair? Any other pair you guys want us to take a look at? Okay, then in the absence of any other pair, we'll call it a day or we'll call it a session. Yeah, please, guys, let's just sit back, wait, and then see how the market is going to play out. Overall, I think throughout this week, it was only one trade I caught, and that was like on Tuesday. Okay, I caught 2 trades, but it was only one that was a winning trade. So this week has just been calm. Yeah, let's see. Let's see how this Friday is going to turn out. And for those of you that are in Abuja, you can come to Happy Forex trading floor. We'll be trading live today on the trading floor. If you can't, then you guys should go and credit your synthetic accounts on Quaco. Yeah, I'll actually be posting the signal there. Any signal we're trading together with Happy, I'll drop it for you guys so we can all trade it together. Yeah, let's get some money today, guys. So that's going to be it for today. I'll catch you guys same time on Tuesday next week. Bye, guys. Take care of yourselves.